Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Mike's Garden Sense. Today I'm going to show you how to install a drip irrigation system. I'm converting an existing sprinkler system to drip. I've capped all but one sprinkler. The remaining pipe will supply all the water to my new system. You can also connect the system to a garden hose. First, insert the hose into the connector. The connection will be tight, so I use hot water to soften the hose first. You'll feel when it's fully inserted. As you see, I use a shorter nipple to put the hose at ground level. Then I attach the connector to this nipple. The connector has a free moving part that makes attaching it easy. Next, I'll route the supply hose to all the areas of the garden. Remember, you'll use a much smaller hose to deliver water to each plant. Okay. I've laid out the rough outline of my supply line. This is not what will provide the water to the plants individually, but it'll provide the water to the much smaller hoses I use to deliver water to the base of the plants. This is an amazing tool. It has a cutter and a thing to poke a hole into the hose so that later on I can insert the sprinklers. Here's a close-up of the tool. So what I'm going to do is cut the hose, and then to keep the water from coming out the end, I'm going to use, it looks like an 8. You slide it over and then kink the hose and slide it back. This provides a clean end to the hose. As you may have noticed, I put rocks to kind of hold the hose in place. This kind of keeps it from flopping all around, but through the heat of the day, the hose will calm down and conform to its new shape. Eventually, I'll remove all the rocks and it'll stay right where I put it. Here's a recap of all the steps, but shown much closer. I insert one end of the hose crimp over the hose, then fold the hose and move the crimp over the open end, like this. This will hold it securely and stop the water flow. This is the smaller hose. I cut a length, making sure I have enough in case I need a little bit extra later. I now cut a hole into the supply line. I insert the sprinkler into one end of the supply line. And then insert the connector. As you can see, once plants and bark are in place, your new drip system almost disappears into the landscape.